Are you looking for the best cameras for travel? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cameras for travel on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sony RX107 Premium Camera. The Sony RX107 features a 20.1MP 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor paired with a Zeiss Vario Sonnar T*24 to 200mm f2.8 f4.5 large aperture high magnification zoom lens, delivering versatile shooting capabilities. It boasts an extremely fast autofocus system with 357-point focal plane phase detection AF and 425-point contrast detection AF, achieving a blazing 0.02 second AF speed. The camera supports up to 20 frames per second blackout-free continuous shooting, powered by 60 AF, AE calculations per second. Its advanced AI-based real-time tracking enhances both stills and video with touch tracking and real-time eye autofocus for humans and animals. For video enthusiasts, it records 4K video with S/Log3, interval shooting, microphone input, and vertical position data. The RX107 also offers active image stabilization for smooth 4K video capture and supports the Movie Edit add-on for advanced editing. The camera supports multiple aspect ratios, 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, optical and digital image stabilization, and has a wide ISO range starting from 64 for excellent image quality in various lighting conditions. Number 2. OM System Olympus TG6. The Olympus Tough TG7 is a durable digital camera designed to withstand harsh environments, making it ideal for underwater and rugged outdoor use. It features a Micro Four Thirds compatible mount and a 4:3 aspect ratio CMOS sensor that supports both JPEG and RAW formats. The camera offers digital image stabilization and an 8x optical zoom with a maximum focal length of 100mm and a bright maximum aperture of f2.0. With an expanded ISO starting at 100 and evaluative metering, it delivers solid image quality in diverse conditions. Weighing just 249 grams, the TG7 is lightweight yet highly resilient, crush-proof up to 100 kgf, freeze-proof down to -10 degrees Celsius, waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. It includes creative features like panorama, 4K video recording, high-speed movie options, and a versatile variable macro system for capturing detailed close-ups, making it a perfect companion for adventurous filmmakers and photographers. Number 3. Sony Alpha A6600. The Sony ILCE6600B is a high-performance mirrorless camera compatible with Sony E-mount lenses. It features a 24.2MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor with a front-end LSI chip, offering impressive sensitivity with an expanded ISO range up to 102,400. Boasting the world's fastest autofocus at 0.02 seconds, it includes real-time AF and object tracking, along with real-time IAF for humans and animals, ensuring sharp focus in both stills and movies. The camera covers approximately 84% of the sensor area with 425 phase detection and 425 contrast detection AF points, enabling up to 11 frames per second continuous shooting with full AF, AE tracking. It offers 5-axis in-body image stabilization, providing a 5-stop shutter speed advantage, delivering steady shots even in challenging conditions. For professionals, it includes an external microphone jack and headphone jack for high-quality audio monitoring. Additional features include touch tracking for smooth, continuous focus activated by the touch screen. The package includes a lithium battery, NP-FZ100, AC charger, USB cable, body cap, and strap. Number 4. Sony ZV-12 Vlog Camera. The Sony ultra-wide zoom lens offers a versatile focal range of 18 to 50 mm, equivalent to 17.6 mm max focal length, with a 2.8x optical zoom, perfectly suited for capturing expansive scenes with stunning detail. It features a large 1.0 type CMOS sensor that delivers professional quality results even in low-light conditions. The lens has a wide aperture range from f1.8 to f4.0, allowing for beautifully defocused backgrounds and excellent subject separation. For clear audio capture, it includes a directional 3-capsule microphone paired with a windscreen accessory to reduce unwanted noise. The system stays reliably sharp with real-time autofocus tracking and IAF technology, ensuring your subject remains in perfect focus during shoots. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX ZS200D. The Panasonic LUMIX DC ZS200DS is a versatile point-and-shoot camera featuring a large 1-inch 20.1 megapixel MOS sensor paired with a powerful 15x zoom Leica DC Vario Elmo lens, equivalent to 24 to 360 mm, and hybrid optical image stabilizer (OIS) for brighter, sharper, and more colorful photos with minimal artifacts. It includes a high-resolution 2.330K live viewfinder and a rear touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display, 1840K dots, that remain clear even under bright sunlight. The camera supports stunning 4K QFHD video recording, 3840 by 2160, and offers unique LUMIX 4K photo and 4K post-focus features, enabling burst shooting at up to 30 frames per second and allowing users to select focus points after capturing. Creative options include scene and filter modes, along with aperture and shutter priority settings for background defocus or sports motion blur control. Travel-ready conveniences include USB charging, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy mobile device sharing, and additional ports like micro HDMI Type-D and USB 2.0 micro-B. Driven by Japanese innovation, the LUMIX DC ZS200DS helps creators capture and share vivid stories effortlessly.